Hello, in this video I will talk about list concatenation and list replication. The plus operator can combine two lists to create a new list value in the same way it combines two strings into a new string value. The times operator can also be used with a list and an integer to replicate the list. So let's do some examples. Let's write the first list, which contains 1, 2, and 3, plus the second list, which contains A, B, and C. This sum gives us a new list which contains 1, 2, 3, A, B, and C. Now, let's try the replication. Let's use x, y, and z times 3. And this example results in the replication of x, y, and z 3 times. Let's do another example. Let's add up the list spam, which contains 1, 2, and 3, to the list that contains A, B, and C, and that results in a new list that contains 1, 2, and 3, A, B, and C. And the result is just the concatenation of both lists, which is 1, 2, and 3, A, B, and C. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos like this. See you.
We bless the sun 'cause it gave light to our days. We cursed our youth.